Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Rater. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Thailand. This is a big box from Thai President Foods for a project that I'm gonna do. Let's crack it open and look inside. Oh, great! So you might be wondering what kind of project I'm gonna be doing. Well, I'll show you. So I've been working on a special series lately called the Ramen Rater's Definitive Guide to, and then you can pick country and name. I've done one for a company in Indonesia, one for South Korea, and I wanted to do one for Mama Tom Yum Noodle, and I'm pretty sure that's in this pack, and it's their special 50th anniversary. Let's take a look and see what's in this. Well, it looks like I made a mistake. This pack has 3 special versions for their 50th anniversary. Not one of them is Tom Yum, which is okay. I have the Tom Yum. I'll show you that in a minute. But we've got a chicken, a pork, and a duck flavor. And this one is chicken cow swa flavor. This one is instant whole wheat noodles black pepper pork. And this one is instant dried jade noodles roasted duck flavor. I've never seen these before. I think they are just special for their 50th anniversary. So hey, happy anniversary, very cool. They were also kind enough to send a couple of these meal kit varieties. This is their pad thai, and I've made this and it was super good. I really like this. And also their Singapore noodles, which is also a meal kit. Basically, you're gonna need to cook the noodles, drain them, put them in a saucepan, add some different protein, maybe egg, things like that. And they come out really quite good. I highly recommend if you see these. I saw them, I tried these a little while ago, and what was great about them is they weren't expensive and they make a really tasty dish. So yeah, cool, thank you. I like these. And you might have seen this one once or twice. This is their time-honored silver pack Tom Yum Noodle. And this is the one that I was thinking that they were sending in that 50th anniversary pack, but I was wrong. It's my fault. Yeah, I'm going to do a definitive guide on this stuff with trivia, info, all sorts of stuff. Because this is like a variety that a lot of people have grown up enjoying as kids. And yeah, so look forward to that. That should be coming in a little while. Well, thanks again for sending this over. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to give these new special anniversary varieties a try. Yeah, I don't know if these are going to show up in the United States, but as always, I recommend that if you really want to get the best instant noodles, just hop on a plane, go over to Thailand or anywhere in Southeast Asia, and your mind will be blown. It's a wonderful place to visit. The people are amazing. And yeah, I visited the factory for these guys, and wow, cool place, amazing, just amazing. Thank you again. And this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.